I was a startup once, and I was an entrepreneur once, and entrepreneurs and startups have a genetic flaw, if you want to call it, that they get so focused on what they are building, they sometimes forget to understand there are some rules that have been laid down by regulators. So I will put this down to that type of an error, where an entrepreneur, hard-charging entrepreneur, aggressive, believes in himself, is building a company successfully, fail to realize that there are some regulatory do's and don'ts. And there can never be a situation, whether it's a social media company or a fintech company, where somebody is not compliant with the law and expects to get away with it just because he's a fintech or just because he or she is a social media. I have said all along, and this is the position of the government of India, regardless of where you come into the digital economy from, India or abroad, regardless of whether you're big or small in the digital economy, whether you're fintech or AI, the rules and the law of the land has to be complied with. And in the fintech space, the regulator who lays down the rules and do's and don'ts are the RBI. So you have to listen to the RBI, you have to comply with the RBI. And this notion that RBI as a regulator's action against Paytm payment bank has rattled fintech is not, I don't think that's the correct characterization. I think it has drawn the attention of fintech entrepreneurs to the fact that you also have to know how to comply with the law. Regulatory compliance is not an optional thing for no country in the world. So certainly not in India, and it is something that they should pay more attention to.